Hi, so this is a video of my Titan watch. This is a premium collection and the collection name is Grandmaster. So this is a automatic watch with a movement of MIYOTA and it has 21 joules. So I ordered this from Nika. I had some coupons, so this cost me around 11,297, almost roughly you can say 11,300. So yeah, now I'm opening the box. Let's hope how the watch looks like. Yeah, you can open it from here only, I suppose. Give me a moment. First, this paper came across. This is the bill for 11,300. Okay. This is the box to Nika. This is the box stating the brand name with the price and the year of manufacture, that is July 22. Oh, this is latest. Then just open the box. So here it comes. Box itself came with a black leather with a red piping. From back it is plain. As soon as I open the box, I have a user manual with a certificate of the warranty. This is how to check and keep the watch, I suppose. Apart from this, we don't have anything in the box. This is the main product that we are here for. So this is how the watch looks. Just I think I need to remove this. Iron, this is working. This has a butterfly clasp. This is the model number and all the details mentioned. As this came with the butterfly clasp, so this is automatic watch with a wooden piping. Over here also they have a work of the wooden. So let's check how this will look onto the hand. I think I need to check with the chain. Yeah, so this is how it looks. And about the movement, we can check over here. It says 21 joules and movement name is MIYOTA. Okay, I'll be sharing more information about my other watches, and right now let's end the video. Thanks for watching.